247 and a half pounds, 247 and a half for Joe the Future Hanks. And his opponent is ready to step onto the scale at this time. Once again, please welcome the proud Olympian, the undefeated heavyweight talent from London, the juggernaut Joe Joyce. Joe Joyce weighs in at 262 pounds, 262 for the undefeated Joe Joyce. We're going to bring our fighters together for a face-off at this time. Once again, this opens up our card. Showtime pay-per-view, also live on BT Sport Box Office in the UK. There they are, ladies and gentlemen, a battle of the big men in our opening attraction on pay-per-view. Joe Joyce versus Joe the Future Hanks, 10 rounds of boxing, once again in the heavyweight division.